Hello, and today, oh wait, I forgot about that. So what I am trying to make is a batch file that can download a file or a text file, then download it as a .bat to your computer, then call it. So let's say, for example, that text file has a variable in it, so the variable will like update the main variable or the version number. So after you open your coding program and use Notepad++, so basically basics echo off, then so I'm not really excited with explaining each command, but we'll get to that soon, like later. So what you want to do is download a plugin. I'll leave the link in the description. Oh fuck. So proceed to plugins, and you'll find a lot of useful stuff, but you probably not know any of this, how this works. But so you just scroll down and find download at the by Fatih Kodak. Click the version number and just proceed to download. So basically this 94 KB file will download a file from the net. Like, you input syntax on it, for example a link. Oh shit. Now you can just extract it to whatever folder you have, or extract the download.exe only. Forget the license and readme, fuck that. So this is the key part of this batch file. What this essentially does, it downloads files with syntax like a link, so it'll be useful for what we're doing. So after downloading the download.exe file, just proceed to pastebin and create an account if you don't have one. This will be our server, as you call it. So go ahead and get a new paste, and here let's add set version to 2.0. So now this batch file will be downloaded by our download.exe. So you can update this like how many times you want, and the link will stay the same, so it's a very good choice. So let's just save it, and be sure to make it unlisted. So create new paste. Okay, now we have our raw data. By clicking here, you can get the raw plain text version. So this is the link that you're gonna use. Back to our script. Make a directory to where it will save. So let's see. So we want it to save in desktop. So oh wait. Okay. So this is basically done. So here let's add 1.0. So I was a little wrong here, because apparently download.exe cannot read user profile variables or any variables at all. Delete this line here. Delete this as well. So each time this is run, it will download this file, which is this. It will download it as a .bat. Then it will, if the file exists, if it's done downloading, it will call it. Then after it's being called, this will execute set version 2.0. So basically it overridden here this. It will override this, so it's now 2.0, but only temporarily. So if not version equals 1.0, go to haha yes, so this is this. So basically it says that there's an update available. If the version is 1.0, then it goes to no updates found. So let's test it. update is ready for crucifixion because it's 2.0. Now, if we were to update the file, so let's update the file to just normal 1.0. Save changes. Now be sure to delete this. You can add a command that deletes this at start, but you do that yourself. After setting that to 1.0, let's test it again. No updates found because it's 1.0. So that's basically it. This is just a simple version. You can make a more compact and very fast option, but this is good for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Fuck that.